The question says which of the following statement is correct in relation to the hydrogen atom. Okay, options are 3s orbital lower energy than 3p orbital, 3p orbital lower energy than 3d orbital. Okay, now pay attention carefully. We have hydrogen atom. Atomic number for hydrogen atom is 1 and electronic configuration we got 1s1. That's it. Okay, now we talk about 2s orbital, yeah, 2p orbital, yeah, 3s orbital, yeah, 3p orbital. In these orbitals we do not have even a single electron. Okay, orbitals having no electron are meaningless. They do not have any significance. They do not have any significance. These orbitals are completely meaningless because they do not carry even a single electron. Hence we can say they will be having same characteristics also because there is no any variation in their behavior. Same characteristics will be there. So if we talk about energy also, so energy will also be same. Energy will also be same because electron is not present. Okay, now let's say if I talk about helium is there, in this case atomic number is what, 2. We can mention it is 1s2 is there. Remaining whatever the orbitals are coming, they do not have electrons, means they will have same energy because there is no electrons. But if I talk about lithium is there, lithium 3, it is what, 1s2, it is 2s1. 2s1. Here you can find the difference in energy. Because s orbital has 2 electrons, in this case s orbital has 1 electrons. You can apply the formula n plus l value formula. Higher the n plus l value, higher is the energy. Here we can differentiate energy between 1s and 2s orbital. We can differentiate energy, but in these orbitals there is no any electron. That's why we cannot differentiate their energy. Their energy is supposed to be same because no electrons, so their characteristics will also be same. So you can see option D is there. 3s 3p orbitals all have the same energy because there is no electron present. We cannot compare the energy lower than or greater than. No comparison between the energies because they do not have any electron. Option D is correct. If you like this video, please share and subscribe to the channel.